Hello and welcome to Orkanos training session. In this short video, I will be showing you how you can upload a Word file into Orkanos in a broken down structure. I am currently in a demo solution called Medical Device. This is the design control solution in Orkanos. You can see here on the left side, I have multiple projects, including the eForms, hardware and software projects. For this example, I will be importing a Word file called User Requirements Example. I want this document to be located on the solution level. So I'm going to right-click on the solution level and choose the Import Document option. Prior to importing a document, it is important to review the document and make sure that it is in the correct format for upload. For example, when reviewing a document, make sure that all your headings are using the consistent format of heading numbers, heading 1, 2, and 3. So for anything in heading 1, as you can see, going down a level, this would be heading 2, and so on. This will structure the document in the correct hierarchy once you upload it to Orkanos. Now, when you upload a Word document, you need to decide what type of work item you'd like to include within the document. If your Word file only includes headings and paragraphs, there is no need to choose a selected work item. However, most documents will include a specific work item, such as user requirement. In this case, I will choose user requirement, and the system will indicate which code I need to embed into my Word document for it to properly import the information into the correct work item user requirement. By marking this, it will automatically copy to my computer. Now going back to my Word file, I'm going to scroll down and show an example where I am adding, for retention time, a type of, I want this to be a user requirement. So I am adding the correct code to the end of the heading. So these will all be imported as requirements. The rest of the document has been pre-prepared, but just so that you can see, there are different user requirements throughout the document. Some can have photos or graphs, and you'll be able to see the difference of import once we complete it. Now that I've finished reviewing my Word file, I will save it and exit. Now I can choose this file, user requirement example, and click import. Depending on the size of your document, this might take a few moments. Once the document is imported, a separate tab will be opened in a view mode of the online document. This is for you to be able to review and go through the imported document to verify that it was completed properly. You can also on the left side see the breakdown of the imported document. If I go back to my product tree view, you can now see this document, user requirement example, at the bottom part of this level of this solution. If we open the hierarchy, you can see that every heading that was marked as heading 1 is imported as a separate heading paragraph, and it will include in the description any text that was under that in the document. If I open the data, you can see that it imported 3 work items under the user requirement work item, which can have different fields and different permissions in our system. I will now show you how Orkanos contains different formatting when importing. For example, under glossary, we had highlighted some text in yellow. If I now look in the document at the glossary, it keeps the correct format. So you can play around with different sizes, coloring, in the same way as you would in a regular Word document. Another example I would like to show is that in the appendix, we added an example of a picture or a graph that would be embedded in the document. This will be embedded into the description in the same way. To summarize, when looking at documents within the product tree and standing on a specific broken down document, you can always enter online document mode by clicking that button. This will take you to a viewing mode of your entire document so that you can review and make sure that the correct format was imported, or if you would like to edit a document in viewing mode instead of going through each work item in the product tree, you can do this in viewing mode as well. When done, you can exit and all the changes will be embedded automatically within the product tree view. Thank you for your attention.